How to change chat theme in WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize the color and wallpaper for a specific conversation. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, open the chat you want to customize. After that, tap the three dots at the top right of the conversation. At this point, tap Chat Theme. Following this, under Customize, you'll see options for chat color and wallpaper. From here, tap Chat Color if you want to change the bubble colors for that conversation. Then browse through the available color options and tap the one you like. At this stage, tap Wallpaper instead if you'd rather change the chat background, where you can choose from a built-in wallpaper, select Choose from Gallery to use your own photo, pick Set Color for a solid background, or tap Create with AI to generate one. Once selected, the new theme applies immediately to that specific chat only, so other conversations stay unaffected. That's how you change chat theme in WhatsApp on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.